guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. Today's video is going to be my no makeup look. So I'm just gonna be getting ready with you guys and just showing you how I do this really quick, easy no makeup look. This is great if you go to work, school, if you're running late somewhere. If you want to see my no makeup look, then just keep watching. The first thing that I'm actually going to go in with is my eyebrows. I have to do my eyebrows every day. I mean, eyebrows are such a big thing. They can change your face. They can take you from 0 to 100. I'm taking this Benefit Precisely My Brow eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. And funny story, well, not really funny, kind of sad for me, but I was shaving my face and I was like, let me just clean up my eyebrows a little bit, and I ended up shaving off the top of this eyebrow. The top of this eyebrow I shaved, and then the bottom of this eyebrow is gone. And I already don't have eyebrows, so if you can only imagine what that did to me. I just did my eyebrows off camera. It's just so much more easier when I do my eyebrows off camera than on camera. And so I'm just now taking concealer. I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm going to highlight the parts of my face with this concealer. So I'm going to take this in here, the corners in here, and I'm going to take a little bit up here. I'm going to do the same. This is one of my favorite concealers. I absolutely love this concealer. I use it all the time. That's why you see it's almost done. I have to go buy another one, but I'm just going to take this concealer, and today I am applying it on the bridge of my nose and between my eyebrows and here, just because you're going to see what I'm going to do later. But I'm just going to take this and blend it out, and we're using very minimal products today because it's a no makeup look, so we're going very minimal. So I'm just gonna take a brush and we're gonna blend all of this out. I'm gonna look up as I'm blending the concealer. I learned this trick to look up when you blend concealer. The only thing that scares me with this is like if you have a full like eyeshadow look, I don't want to like mess up the eyeshadow look, so I'm just gonna take this and blend it. That's basically it for the concealer part. And again, we're going to do some creams products in here. That's why I'm kind of doing creams first. And then now that my under eye is done with the concealer, I feel like I look so much more brighter, and I feel like I look so much more awake. You can always just take a little bit of the leftovers and just run it over your eyelids, especially if you have veiny eyelids, or if you have darker eyelids. This can always just help the skin tone on your eyelids become just one skin tone. And I'm not using any eyeshadow today, but I'm just gonna go in and just finish blending all of that in there. And now I'm gonna take this cream blush from Rare Beauty. This is the Nearly Apricot blush. I love peach blushes. This blush is so light and it's very natural. Like, this is what it looks like here, so you could see it's like super light, and to me it looks like a very like blush from within type of look. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger, and then I'm going to just apply it very lightly with my finger. If you really want to get that precise look, you can always take a sponge and just dab it in. And you see how it looks like very light, like very from within type of look. If you want to take more, you can always just take a little bit more on your finger and just kind of apply it in there. Now that we've applied our cream blush, I'm just gonna take a little bit more. Sorry guys, just a little bit more. I know it's a no makeup look, but I love blush, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more. Just alright, so now we are actually going to take some powder. So we are going to take this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. This is more of a setting powder, but I'm going to take very little of it and I'm just going to sweep it on my face just to kind of even everything out. I do have blemishes on my skin and I do have, like, you know, some texture here. Again, this is like a no makeup look and you want to look as natural as possible, and my face is not perfect, like it's not flawless, but I'm gonna take some powder and I am going to just sweep it across my face just to kind of even everything out. Of course, this step is always optional. If you want to skip the powder, you can. If you just want to do concealer, that's fine, but I'm gonna take this powder and just kind of sweep it on my face. I'm going around, like where I put the concealer, where I put the blush, I'm going around it. I'm actually going to take the Alamar Cosmetics bronzer palette, and you see this peach shade golden hour here. I'm just going to take that and use that to set where I applied concealer. So I'm just going to dab that in there. And I'm going to take some more of that and apply it to my chin area here to add that brightness back. We're going to add some here as well. I always like to add just a little bit here and here. And yeah, that's basically it for the face, but we're also going to do some bronzing action, and because it is like a no makeup look, I don't want the bronzer to be too like obvious that I'm wearing bronzer, so I am going to take Cinnamon Sugar, which is the lighter of the two, and I'm going to use that same brush that I used for the powder foundation. I'm just going to sweep it a little bit to get the product off of it, and then I'm going to go in with this brush and we are going to apply that. I always like to tap off the excess if there is excess, but these bronzers are very pigmented. So with this one, I am taking a fluffier brush. What I like to do so that it doesn't look good everywhere, I just, you know, learned this trick. I'm gonna just kind of go like this and hold it, and then I'm going to go in circular motions and I'm gonna apply the bronzer. So I don't want it to be so concentrated, but I also don't want it to be like super messy looking. I'm just gonna take very lightly. I'm gonna take some of the Oi Morena shade, the darker one, and just go on top of that. A little bit of Oi Morena. I'm gonna take some more of that Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm going to just press it around the bronzer. You see, I like that kind of fixed everything. And with the sponge, guys, you get a lot more coverage. So that's just a trick. So I'm gonna go in with a little more natural highlight. I love this highlight so much. This is the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, and this is in the shade Prosecco Please. I got this in a BoxyCharm, but the reason why I love this highlighter so much is because it's like a putty-ish highlighter. It's not like it's a powder, but I don't know how to explain it. It's a powder, but it's like very just like kind of putty-ish, so that's why I really love it. And my favorite way to apply this highlighter is with my fingers. So I'm just gonna take very little on my finger, and then I am gonna take it lightly up here and we're gonna tap it in. It gives you such a natural like highlight look. And I'm gonna take a little bit more and just take it here and just tap it in there. I'll take a little bit on my nose. Here. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. To set all of that, to melt all of that together, I'm taking the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray, and I'm just going to spray my face. And that's the base of the face. For the eyes are super duper simple. We're not doing any eyeshadow today. All I'm gonna use, you guys, is this eyeliner. This is from Flower Beauty. This is a brown eyeliner. This is in the shade Brownstone, and I'm only going to tightline with this. I'm not gonna put on my waterline, but I'm gonna take this and I'm going to apply it in here. Something I think is very nice too that you could do is you could take some eyeliner and smudge it on your lower lash line if you ever want to do that. That looks cute too. Or you can always use it to make like a wing. You can always, like, you know, try different things with it. And then I'm gonna take this Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. I love it because it's the name of my dog. And I'm gonna take that, we're gonna put that, pop that in our inner corner. And then for mascara, I'm taking the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This is the False Lash Effect Mascara. I love this thing. Serious, like this, I don't know what they put in this mascara, you guys, but it is one of the best mascaras I have ever tried. And it is from Essence and it's super duper affordable. I love this mascara. Oh my god. We are basically done with the face. The last thing we have is my favorite, lips. I am gonna do my signature nude lip that I always do using my favorite lipstick, which is this Revolution lipstick in the shade Cashmere. Now my lip liner does change. Sometimes I go for a darker, deeper brown. Sometimes I do a mid-tone brown. It really depends on how I'm feeling, but for today I'm really feeling like a darker brown, because what I want to do is I want to do like a lined, like really line, like outline my lips. So I'm gonna do that with you guys, and then we'll be done. I'm actually gonna take this NYX Suede matte lip liner, and this is in the shade Downtown Beauty, and I'm going to line my lips with this. Taking this Cashmere lipstick from Revolution. That is it for the lips, and that is actually all I do for my no makeup days. I really love this for every day. When I go to work, this is what I do. Like literally, this is what I do. Mine is honestly the blush and the highlight and the bronzer, because I do work with kids and I do have to wear a mask all day, so I do, you know, don't do all that. But if I was going maybe somewhere like like a friend's house or something, I would definitely do this, and I want to do a no makeup look. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked my no makeup look, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.